Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate. Start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Sign in using your Google account. Create a new project by clicking on the project drop-down at the top of the page. Select New Project and give it a relevant name. Once the project is created, ensure it is selected in the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on APIs and Services, then select Library. Search for Google Chat API in the API library. Click on the Google Chat API, then hit the Enable button. Next, go back to the APIs and Services menu and select Credentials. Click on the Create Credentials drop-down and select OAuth Client ID. You will need to configure the consent screen if you haven't done so already. Select the user type and fill in the required fields. Choose the application type as Web Application for the OAuth client. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add the redirect URI provided by Asana. Click Create to generate your client ID and client secret. Note down the client ID and client secret, as you will need them later. Now, head over to your Asana account. Navigate to the Asana Developer App Settings. Create a new app by clicking on the appropriate button or link. Fill in the required fields with details about your app. In the OAuth section, enter the client ID and client secret you just obtained from the Google Cloud Console. Make sure to specify the same redirect URI you used previously. After entering all the necessary details, save your changes. Return to the Google Cloud Console and create the necessary OAuth scopes. Define which Asana permissions your app will require. Test the integration by initiating the OAuth flow. This can usually be achieved by visiting the authorization URL in your browser. Log in to your Google account if prompted and grant the requested permissions. Upon successful authorization, you will be redirected to the specified redirect URI. The redirect will include an authorization code in the URL parameters. Copy this authorization code for the next step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.